What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are doing a first drive with the new 6.1 SRT ported manifold. And I'm not gonna lie, it's not really the first drive. It's been about a week since I installed it, but the first drive for you guys. So without talking too much, here's the car. Yes, I park however I want. It's my driveway. So let's go ahead and give it a cold start. Here we go. I love these tips. I love them. Alright guys, so while the car warms up, if you guys remember from the first video, I believe, or probably the second part, I'm not sure, but I did say I was gonna do a coolant flush and oil change, and that's what I'm about to do right now before I get this first drive going. And I remember I bought oil last time. There it is. Oops, sorry. I bought this oil last time. Mobile 1 520 high mileage, and I still have about 2.5 quarts left. I forgot. I think my car takes 8 quarts. This is a 5 quart, right? Yeah, 5 quart. Yeah, I think my car takes about 8 quarts. And I buy this shit from Walmart, and I buy the filter from Walmart. And then I go to the oil shop, they charge me 20 bucks to do it instead of freaking 80. So I'm about to go buy another 5 quarts and maybe a 1 quart, and then get the filter, go do the oil change. And I have my GoPro. I just got a new GoPro, by the way. This is the 8. So literally brand new. It's gonna be the first use, and then we're gonna see how the car performs. So like I said, I did already drive it for about a week, so I know where the most power gets pushed, I guess, and all that. The car does sound a little bit different, and that I like it and all that. The engine bay, you can hear the air get sucked in when I give it full throttle. We're gonna do all that. So let's go ahead, go to Walmart, get some oil, get the filter, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we just got to Walmart, posted up over here. Can't trust any of these people. Ain't nobody gonna scratch my shit. Alright Walmart, about to get in. Like I said, I have about 2.5 quarts, so I need about 6 more quarts. Go ahead and grab that filter and see you guys at the oil shop. Here we go. Alright guys, so I just pulled up to Big Rays Auto Loop. This is where I always come to get my oil changes. I actually ended up buying this. I bought 2 of these because they didn't have the other one that I was gonna get, and I got a Mobile 1 oil filter. And right now we're just gonna be emptying my my catch can. This is the man to go to. Make sure you guys hit him up.
Big Rays Quick Lube, Fort Road and Oakman.
There you go. I'm gonna leave their Instagram in the description below, so make sure you guys hit them up. They do their best work. I always bring my cars here. So we're gonna get this oil change done, and I'll catch you guys for the first drive. Yep, it's that catch can doing its work. Big thanks to Co Performance for that. So let's go ahead and get this oil change done. I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, so now we are in here. Let's go ahead and you guys get a reaction of the body movement. I just want to say that like I said, I know when the best part is to hit it, basically. And I just noticed this is the first time you guys are going to be able to hear the car, so let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. Like I said, Corsa Extreme, no mufflers, no cats, and shorty headers. up top, and I've noticed that the best time to full throttle it is at 4,000 RPM, and you could do that in second gear at 50 miles an hour. Like, that is a perfect gear, or that is a perfect roll to be roll racing, basically. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do that real quick. 50 miles an hour, second gear. You guys ready? Of a difference, but you can tell there's a difference, you know what I mean? Like, it goes. I like the exhaust. The exhaust is nice. But yeah, like that's the first drive. Like, I noticed there was a difference above the 4,000 RPM. Like, that's when you smash the pedal, and that's it. I mean, there's nothing really much to say. We can get a couple runs in with some cars and show you guys the difference. I would really love to rerun my boy Hashimi Mo with the Nismo, and my boy MJ with the G8. So if you guys are watching this, holla at me. Let's get it running again. But yeah, let's see. First gear and 30 miles an hour. That's one, and then second gear 50 miles an hour. Those are probably the best rolls I'm gonna have, because a 40 roll would be at like 3,000 RPM, and it doesn't kick in till 4, like I keep saying. So that would be the best time to do it, 30 and 50. And then overall, up top is where it comes in. I can't really do anything. As you can tell, like, right now it's in a rear wheel drive, by the way. I have the Taser. I have it in rear wheel drive, so let's go ahead and change it to all wheel drive. Alright, it's in all wheel drive. Once I get a second here, after this traffic clears up, I'll get a nice run in and show you guys what's the deal. Can you not keep creeping up on me? Up on me. Like, look, I'm scooting up and he scoots up. Back off, my man. Back the f up. Hemi_life with a 3. So go ahead and do that, and that's it. Basically, it really helps up top, like I said. 4,000 RPM, and then I smash it and that's where it goes. Sounds good. That's about it. I want to do a quick rev. I want you guys to hear it. Okay, this GoPro doesn't want to come down. I want to do a rev under, I want to put the camera under the hood and do a rev so you guys can hear how it sucks so much more air. Like you can, it sounds like a, you know how when you have a supercharged car and you put an intake on it and you hear it like breathing in the air for the whistle, for the whining, for the supercharger. It sounds like that, but with no whining, you know what I mean? So let me set up the camera and give it a couple revs and let you guys hear it. That was it, guys, and I don't know if you guys hear this whistle, but yes, I do have a whistle. I don't know what that is. It's always been there. It's always been there. Like before I did this, it was always been there, but now that I did this and more air is flowing through, it's so much more louder and it pisses me off. Everywhere I take it, they say it's normal, it's normal, it's normal, it's normal. And I've done my research. It is normal because of how much air is getting pushed in through the engine, I guess. But I mean, it's annoying. So if any of you guys know how to fix it, please leave a comment down below. Hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on Snapchat. All information will be in the description. But that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. That's how my car performs with the 6.1 manifold. And to answer a question that you guys may have, no, I did not take it to boost controlled performance for the tune. I was about to, but something clicked in my head and I might be doing something here soon, so stay tuned for that, and then I'll get it tuned. And the engine light that I had previous, it did go away after I drove it the first couple times, so no check engine light. It runs good. There's really nothing much changed besides the manifold, so the tune that I currently have will work until I do what I gotta do and get it retuned. But I mean, that's how it is. I got something up my sleeve and then we'll get it tuned. As for right now, this is gonna be it. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure you guys slap the like button, subscribe to the channel for more coming soon. I will be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We're at probably 600 right now, so 400 more to go. I just want to thank you all for the continued support. It really means a lot to me, so thank you. And till next time, have a good day, guys.